Hey guys, we're at our 2025 Annual Leadership Summit, and we just wrapped up our main stage presentations. They were awesome, they were electric this morning, but now we're headed to our breakout sessions. We're gonna really focus in on that training element that we wanna bring home for our teachers and our directors that are joining us this year at the summit. Let's go check it out. This episode is extra special because we're on site to talk about something central to our mission, growth. Growth isn't just something we encourage in our children, it's something we strive for as an organization. One of the biggest ways we grow is by listening to you. Your feedback from surveys, conversations, and everyday interactions shapes how we evolve. For example, many of you told us how much hands-on, interactive learning impacts your child's engagement. So we've strengthened that across the board. We're also improving communication between families and educators because when we're aligned, kids thrive. Professional development days like the summit are essential to that growth, giving our educators tools to provide the best experience to your children. And while we focus on growing as educators and leaders, we also want to take the time to celebrate excellence. That's why we host an annual leadership awards ceremony to honor those who go above and beyond to make COA an exceptional place to learn and grow. We hope you enjoy this behind the scenes peek into how we celebrate our teams.
That's something I really do try to pride myself on, is pushing through challenges, making sure that every single day I bring a positive attitude, never giving up, never quitting, and just making it happen.
It means everything. It means my hard work didn't go unnoticed and we met our objectives for the company.
And now, one of my favorite parts of each month is recognizing a family of the month, a family that truly embodies the partnership we strive for at Children of America. This month, we're excited to highlight the Seltzer family from New Berlin, Wisconsin. They have been an incredible part of our school community since 2019. The Seltzers are more than just a COA family too. They are COA champions. From attending every family event to actively participating in our parent board, they go above and beyond to support our school. Sarah, their mom, has been a driving force in strengthening our school community, even stepping up to be interviewed during our accreditation process. Thank you, Sarah. That was a big ask and we appreciate you doing it. Their trust in us, their involvement, and their unwavering support make them a shining example of the strong partnerships we strive to build with our families. We're honored to have been a consistent and safe place for your children to grow, learn, and prepare for future success. So please join me in celebrating the Seltzer family, and as a token of our appreciation, they're gonna receive either a free week of tuition for their child or a $250 gift card to a popular retailer of their choice. At the end of the day, growth happens when we listen, learn, and evolve together. Your feedback helps us guide how we improve, and we're committed to making COA the best it can be for your child. Thank you for trusting us with your child's care and development, and I can't wait to see you again soon for another episode of Minute with Ted. Let's go check out the summit.